Magsisimula po ang ating second quarter sa 18-14. Ang ating second quarter hatid sa inyo ng Black Mamba, the energy drink, an official energy drink of the UNTV Cup Season 5. Buhay na buhay ka. Glad you're with us. Sam Sarmenta, Ronnie Magsanok, and Ryan Ramos taking care of your game this afternoon. Wala ho kaming maasar. Wala si Rina.
Ay.
Kasi ito si Ryan, hindi naman kumakagat. Wala ito. Hindi.
Ay.
Wala. Si Rina naman. Oh, go, Ryan.
Okay, thank you, Sev. Coach Ronnie, kasama natin ngayon, of course, ng coach ng NHA Builders, Coach Bennett Palad. Coach, nasa top ngayon ang BOC. Kayo naman, naging tatlong sunod-sunod po ang inyong panalo. Ano po ang strategy na ginawa niyo po coming to this game?
Actually, ang binago ko lang, kailangan lang namin stop si Marlo at saka si Franco. Yung malalaki na ayaw ko sila makapunta sa loob. So, ganun pa rin. We use the speed, we use our shooting powers.
Ano po ang advice na binigay niya sa Tibay Brothers?
Kailangan lang nilang makadiskarte ng maganda. Yung tamang pasa, tamang shooting, tamang rebound.
Very clear po, Coach Bennett. Maraming salamat. Good luck sa game. Back to you, Sev and Coach Ron.
Excellent, Bennett Palad. Bennett, who during the week works at the San Juan Arena as one of the managers there. Nice pass.
Nice pass. Would have been a little late, but still the correct pass.
Naman.
So ang game plan ni Coach Bennett, pahirapan si Marlo at si Franco. At naniniwala siya, perimeter defenders can take itong sila Kenneth and defend sila Jerome.
Franco did not see
sila may
action
hirapan.
in the first quarter. And you know, Franco's occupation is to build homes inside.
Parang,
That's where he likes to work.
oo, parang arkitekto sa loob. Ano?
Sa loob lang, interior decorator. That's a foul on Jerome Ayers.
Kung hindi mo man nakita yan, bilang game official, maririnig mo sa lakas. Pero alam ko, tatime out muna si Coach Bennett Palad.
Eh, nakita ang lolo mo. Oo. Time out tayo. Coming to you from the Pasig Sports Center, this is the UNTV Cup. Ang liga ng public servants. May ano na tayo? Yan, ikaw ang magaling dyan.
Okay. Tayo ay nasa 12th play date. 35 days to Christmas.
Pati, siguro mo tinanong niya na.
Itatanong mo pala, nasagot ko na.
Oo nga, nabilang mo na.
Oo, inunahan ko lang si Miss Marina.
Now down to 1 week.
Tayo ay nasa game number 31 na. Mula August 29. Tama ba yun? August 29.
Ewan ko, wala ako ron.
Ayun. August 29, tama. Pangalawang 3-point basket ng ating reigning at defending MVP. The lead once again back to 5 points para dito sa Builders.
And that is taken away by the men in green. That's a foul.
That's the second one para dito kay Jerome. At kung titignan natin yung quadra ni Coach Bennett Palad, puno ng thoroughbreds yung kanyang roster. Kumbaga out of the gates, makita mo kumakaripas .
Medyo ito yung running five niya. Wala lang si Ralph pa. Parang hindi niya ina-advise na magsabay yung magkapatid . No? So far, sa takbo ng matchups niya.
Kasi meron na siya mga balang ibang perimeter players. At si Forbes, nasama pa sa rotation. At Crisostomo.
Ignacio ninakawan. Itibay. Yung tira, ayaw. Lustestica unable to handle it.
Tibay had Bustestica to his left. He was not able to issue that extra pass. Ignacio being bothered ng ball pressure itong si Tibay.
Durendez draws the double. Franco is hugged from behind.
Napakalaga kay Mercado at Santos to nurse their fouls. Hindi sila pwedeng maubos dito pa lamang sa ating first half dahil kinakailangan sila.
That's true. And they have to play with a cool demeanor here. Yan, tuloy. Nilagyan tayo ng kulambo rito.
Hindi ko lang po yan. Trapal. Muulan eh.
Kulambo yan. Makita nyo mamaya.
E di dapat may katol.
Sige na nga. Jerome.
Classic.
Ano, yung tira niya. May Pectus, hindi lang pumasok. Takbo ang men in green. Ignacio drag the ball, stop.
Estética is wide open.
Kanina pa, no? Tell that to Vito. Nice separation. Ay, pala smart move.
And the difference between Tibay and Ignacio is that Ignacio will only use yung brief spurts na kanyang quickness. Si Tibay talaga nakabaon yung paa sa accelerator. Ignacio more of a thinking player. Tibay uses his instincts. Ignacio will go to the line trying to stabilize yung execution para dito sa team ng Transformers.
Ignacio, steady hand from the free throw line actually.
Always has been steady para dito sa Bureau of Transformers. BOC 3 out of 6 from the free throw line.
Here's Santos trying to create some separation against Dairit. Big slap by Franco on the ball. There's Ignacio. Dish. Great pass to Franco.
Minsan maski hindi sumigaw ng trail marinig mo lang yung yabag Yung footsteps nung kasama mo, alam mo na meron ng extra pass na pwede kang ibigay.
Saka when you use your peripheral vision.
Yes. And that's how Ignacio was able to run the 2-on-1 situation. And now BOC only behind by 1.
Crisostomo and Forbes have become reliable bouncers for this team.
Talk about consummate role players.
Basta ang trabaho nila, mambalandra.
Rebound.
Rebound,
Dumipensa.
depensa.
Tulad yan.
Kumuha na rebound, nasungkit sa likod. Santos will save it. And wisely so. Uy, mali lang ng konti ang footwork.
Kulang lang na isang hakbang
Smart move. 1-point lead for the Builders. They've been in control for the most part in terms of leads. Jerome Ejercito, always a matchup problem, being such a tall guard. Tried to get a foul, gets a basket instead.
Jerome Ejercito was the biggest hero para dito sa Transformers in that win laban sa team ng HOR wherein he nailed a half-court buzzer beater.
Sabi ko, itira naman niya mula sa free throw line sa kabila.
Wow. At ito,
Nakita mo si Wow?
andun, kita ko. Nagtapos tayo sa ating unang quarter, 18-14. Lamang ang NHA. 5 points for them here in the second quarter. Subalit ang BOC na doble na yung talaan ng NHA. 10 points in the second quarter, behind by 4. At the end of the first, now already on top by 1 at 24-23.
Kalahati na, Doremdes. Pinaligiran, iniskrinan ng lahat. Wala.
Pinaligiran.
Parang binuksan ng daan eh.
Patay ang NHA pag planta-planta ang laban.
Nice pass. Inaangguluhan.
Pag napilitan silang mag-half-court offense at execution, madadali sila ng Transformers.
Natatawa si Bennett Palad kasi alam niya hindi tatawagin ng referee yung ganung emotion ni Doremdes. Offensive foul. Wow. Wow talaga.
Edward Joseph. 5.
Wow. Wow. Babalik kami. Wow. Okay, may mga subs na papasok. Si Waldemar Tibay, si Ladja, ang Rat Brigade. Medyo iniwanan na sila ng Transformers dito sa ating
Second quarter.
Second quarter.
Oo, sabi natin kanina, Transformers, 12 puntos na. 5 pa lang para sa Builders. Pag bumagal ng laro, pabor sa BOC Transformers.
Yeah.
Dahil magagamit nila yung kanilang mayamang karanasan at yung kanilang laki laban sa tulin. ng
Pag
Builders.
slow down, ano?
Patay ka.
Pag slow dance, eh. Ayun, tabla-tabla.
Pangatlong 3-point baskets na ito para sa Builders.
Which they will continue to need, Ronnie.
Ganyan ang ibibigay sa kanila. Hindi mo makakayod sa ilalim. Para kang tumama sa pader dahil nandun ang mga higante ng Transformers.
Ignacio, masyado malayo ang hinto. Lorendes creates. Tries to get his own miss. Ignacio resecures it. Marlu wants to pass. Will throw up the shot.
Vintage Marlo Aquino. Unflappable underneath.
Just learn those big man moves, eh, no?
Basic lang. Basta balanse ka. Everything will go right.
Decent. Got caught.
Sumabit.
Si Lorendes. Check out this Black Mamba buhay na buhay move.
Galing pumasa na Ignacio sa big man. Ano?
Parang ano, marunong siya to market, ano? Coming from somebody who passed to a very funny big man throughout his career.
Meron daw yata pelikula sa Papa Bear sa Metro Manila Film Fest.
Siya ang bida,
Ay, alam mo naman si Papa Bear. Bida, half bida,
kontrabida.
kontrabida. Hindi pwedeng kontrabida si
Bakit?
Papa
Hindi
Bear.
ko lang maniniwala, no?
Baka malitan talent.
Okay. Alam mo, minsan, pa-3-man panel mo yun dito.
Dapat.
Walang lakuan.
Dapat.
Para lang matawa ko. Wow, nice play. Yan ang wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Pag nakatakbo, problema ang Transformers. Kasi nakaka-press itong NHA pag nakaka-free throw ang Builders.
They push hard. Waldemar behind the back. Vito creates. Overcooked it. He had no angle actually.
Ang kandi Kenneth eh.
Yun ang underrated part of the game of Kenneth
Galing
Lorendes.
dinipensa yan.
His defense. Nice pass.
Pag nakaplanta si Marlo at Ignacio sa loob, advantage pabor sa BOC. At ngayon ang Builders, pagkatapos mapako sa 23 points ng mahabang panahon, naagaw yung kalamangan kanina ng 2 puntos bago tumabla ang Transformers.
Alam mo, aga ni Marlo nag-warm up kanina eh. Tingin ko syempre, no, being a little older, warming up a little more.
Alam niya mabigat ang kalaban eh.
That's why they had their game faces on very early on the floor. 2 minutes and 15 remaining. This should be a dogfight all the way to the end. Sumalinog wide open. Rattled out.
Nako.
Nako, nando si Kenneth. Ignacio has it. Sabay yung dalawang guwardia. Ignacio to Sumalinog to Marlo. Kino block. I think they might call the traveling.
Akala ko sa kabila tutuputin ni Marlo. But he thought he had already evaded itong si Mercado. Ganda naman ang pasa ni Sumalinog. Normally sa kabila niya tutuputin yan. I'll go for a reverse.
Tabla sa 30. Squeeze play by Vito.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yes. Joining the party.
Rare inside basket para dito sa Builders.
There was a time he was the only big man, huh?
Oo. Todas ka dyan.
Nice release. Here's Waldemar. And Sumalinog joined the fun. Back hop.
What we're seeing here is already playoff basketball.
Yeah.
I believe in the last play date alone, sa nakalipas natin na nilaro last weekend. Ganun na yung tema eh. Teams needing to win to make it to the next phase.
Yan.
Teams needing to get a victory to fan their hopes of getting closer to a possible next round spot. Samantalang yung mga nasa ibabaw naman gustong panatilihin yung kanilang kalamangan to get cushion.
Boy, all the games today are big ones. Dogfight
Bigat,
start.
ano?
Judiciary against PNP in the third. And in the second game, we'll have Malacanang going up against the MMDA. National government against the local government. Takbo, foul si Ignacio.
The free throws para sa Builders.
Bob de la Cruz with a smile that's so sarcastic, if you ever say so. So, if you ever saw one, that is. Tibay decided to change his hair today. Decided to put a porcupine on his head. Wala lang. You should try that, Ronnie Magsano.
Huh?
Magtataka yung tatlong anak mo sa bahay. Ha?
Bakit ako patuloyin?
ang ating score dito sa second quarter. Unang laro pa lang ng tatlo na naka-schedule sa ating UNTV Cup para sa araw na ito.
It's been a low-scoring first half so far. At yan ang gusto ng Builders. Hindi pumalo ang talaan ng BOC. Kumbaga, kayuran tayo sa depensa because in the last two games, at least para sa Builders, kanilang mga kalaban, 78 points lamang. Samantala itong BOC is a very high-scoring team. The last three games, 90 ang inaabot ng kanilang mga laro. 90 points scoring average.
Alam mo, pag, totoo yan. Pag hindi mo dinipensa na tinapatan,
Patay ka.
they'll shoot you to the ground. Marlo from 16. They won't count it.
Just a second late.
Si Marlon, do you ever remember him sa PBA years niya na nag-complain talaga? Parang si Marlon, pagkatawag na, wala na, baba na.
Siguro pagdating sa playoffs,
Meron na. Kahit konti. Turnaround shot.
hirap.
Hirap yun, ha? Ignacio looking to Marlo. Cut by Franco. A chance for a pass. They give Marlo space. Out to Ignacio. Thought about the shot. Goes back to Marlo. Baseline. By the big guy. Awkward. 4 on 1. Not the best shot. But given the time pressure, maybe you can grab him back. Second quarter drops its curtain and we are off to a low-scoring game, I suppose, unless we explode in the third. Don't go too far away. We have some new thing here in the UNTV Cup. We have some entertainment for all of you, aside from basketball, of course.